It is my dream that all of the toxin-laden plastic shampoo bottles and hair oil bottles and all other hair products in plastic bottles should be replaced with glass bottles. Glass bottles having hair care products which are rich in nourishment, which are rich in nutrition instead of causing hair fall. Because I once lost all my hair and it was a very depressing moment for me, and since then I have done this hair care certification, and it is my desire that no one ever in the world suffers hair loss. So I've taught how to make shampoos, how to make conditioners and hair oils. Please do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it. But today I'll show you how to use this toxin free shampoo correctly. So we'll start right after the intro. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma and I have taught how to make an antioxidant toxin free shampoo at home. If you are using this shampoo or any other shampoos in the world, which I don't know, why would you ever use those chemicals when I have taught how to make safe and healthy shampoos? Anyway, in the comments let me know, did you make our shampoo or not? And let me know who you are so I know that you are the one who made the shampoo and used it. Anyway, the thing is, before shampooing, the first step should be oiling of your hair. It is a good practice if you use our hair oil, because our hair oil is a mixture of very healthy hair oil. And these hair oils will actually give a protective layer to your hair, because whatever the shampoo is, whether it is a shampoo full of chemicals and toxins or it is a toxin free shampoo like ours, both of those shampoos have surfactants, and surfactants are obviously gonna strip some of the nourishment from your hair. So to protect that, it is a good practice that you give a protective layer of oil to your hair. So apply this oil to your roots through the night or at least 3 to 4 hours before washing your hair. And if you don't have the time to oil your hair, then you can use our egg and yogurt mixture. All you have to do is crack the egg, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, mix it and then apply it. This you have to apply only 15 minutes before. Oil you have to apply for 3 to 4 hours before shampooing, and the egg and yogurt mixture only for 15 minutes. This practice will actually provide a protective layer for your hair. And still a better way would be if you do both, like oil your hair at night and in the morning before shower apply the egg and yogurt mixture. Now this protective layer will make your hair ready for any amount of surfactant that comes your way. Plus, if you have some oil in your hair or some egg and yogurt in your hair, you will obviously naturally try to get rid of that first before shampooing. And once you get rid of your egg and yogurt mixture, your hair will be wet enough before you start shampooing, and that is the next step. Before you use shampoo, whatever shampoo you are using, your hair should be thoroughly wet. You should be spending at least 5 minutes in shower before you start shampooing your hair, because we need our hair very wet to the root. Once you have made sure that your hair is very wet, take your shampoo. If you have toxin free shampoo like this one, just pour it out in your hand, about a tablespoon according to the length of your hair, and just give it a good mix. You no need to dilute it, and then rub it thoroughly all over your hair. Okay, in the roots of the hair, you have to basically clean your hair. You don't have to leave the shampoo on. Many people ask me, how long should I leave the shampoo on? Shampoo should be on for only 2-3 minutes. In that 2-3 minutes, you will just be rubbing it to get the oils and the dirt out of your hair. That's all. After that, you will give it a good rinse and you will get rid of all the shampoo. Shampoo has surfactant, whether it is anionic surfactant or a cationic surfactant or a very natural surfactant like I use cocoa glucoside. That is a very mild surfactant. Still, it is a surfactant. We need to get all of it out of our hair as soon as possible. And if you are using your regular chemical loaded shampoo, which still I do not comprehend why you have to dilute it. In about a cup of water, add a tablespoon of your chemical loaded shampoos in plastic bottles. I don't know why you are using that. Anyway, mix that in water, and then this water, this diluted shampoo, this you can use it. The idea is maybe it will cause less hair fall. Anyway, once you have rinsed out your shampoo, now it is a very good practice if you semi-dry your hair with towel. You don't have to use hair dryer, just semi-dry, and now apply the conditioner. The conditioner is applied on the strands for about 5 to 10 minutes. Basically, this provides nourishment. Okay, this you have to leave it on. It will provide nourishment from this wash till the next wash. Once you have left your healthy toxin-free conditioner on your hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, now you can rinse it off. This is the right way to wash your hair. In the comment section below, let me know which shampoo are you using? Are you following this practice? And share this video with everyone who shampoos their hair and they say that their hair falls with every episode of shampooing their hair. Shampooing your hair correctly is one of the best practices that you can do for your hair. So till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.